how to find the missing password icon after updating your iPhone to iOS 18. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, you need to go into Settings. Then in Settings, scroll down and then tap on Apps. Next, we scroll down and from here tap on Passwords. And in Password, you can open up the Password app. And there you can access your password. Now, if you do not have the password apps, you might need to install it. So go to the App Store. So if you can find App Store in here, and then type in password in the search text box. And down here, if it is not installed on your device, you can then install password. After that, you can open it. And that's it. So that is how you can find the missing password app or the icon on your iPhone after updating to iOS 18. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.